Hello, I'm Chaitanya Gokhale. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 common Devanagari calligraphy mistakes and how to fix it. The first mistake is using the wrong tools. In Devanagari calligraphy, using the right tools is the most important thing. Often we choose the wrong tools. For example, when you search for calligraphy tools online, you probably will get these kind of parallel pens or flat nibs like these. You may see some options in brush pens also. But none of these are the right tools for doing Devanagari calligraphy. Before we jump on to the correct tools, let me show you a basic difference between English calligraphy and Devanagari calligraphy tools. For English calligraphy, we use a flat tip like this. For Devanagari calligraphy, you need a chisel tip like this and not a flat tip, because with a flat tip you won't get the correct angle. So most of the regular calligraphy pens and nibs won't be appropriate for writing Devanagari. You can use chisel markers like these, which are easily available in the stationery shops near you, or you can get it online. Or you can use Devanagari calligraphy nibs like these, which have a left slant cut. These nibs usually come in a set of 7 and can be used with any regular fountain pen. These nibs are not very expensive and give you fantastic results. I have a dedicated video on how to use Devanagari nibs and pen. You can watch it to clear your doubts about Devanagari pens. Unfortunately, not many Devanagari nibs and tools are available online. But don't worry, you can order it from me and I will be more than happy to send it to you. Mistake number 2. Holding the pen wrong way. Holding the pen or marker in the correct way is the key to do good Devanagari calligraphy. You may have used these kind of chisel markers for highlighting the text or for doing the school charts and craft projects. Normally, we hold it like this or like this to highlight or write anything. But this is not the correct way to hold your marker for doing Devanagari calligraphy. You need to flip the chisel marker and hold it this way. So the slant is left slant and the point is on the left top corner. The angle should be 45 degrees. Don't hold your marker too close or too far. You need to practice this and build your muscle memory for this particular angle, as you need to maintain the same angle throughout your calligraphy. Make sure when you go down, your angle remains slanted at 45 degrees. Initially, your strokes may look like this. But don't worry, rectify your hold and start again. Remember, there is no shortcut to regular practice. Mistake number 3. Writing uneven letters. This is another very common mistake beginners usually do. Once you master the correct angle, keeping all the letters straight and of the same size is the key element in doing good calligraphy. Make sure all the straight lines in your letters and words look consistent and they are parallel to each other. You can use graph paper to practice until you get the lines straight. You can download my free printable A4 graph paper PDF from the description below. Use a good quality paper so the ink won't bleed while writing. Mistake number 4. Not practicing basic strokes. A common mistake I have seen with many people is that they don't pay attention to basic drills and practice it regularly. This is one of the important steps in learning any script. Every time before I start writing, I just revise all the basic strokes. This not only helps in refining the muscle memory, but also helps in getting the correct hold every time. All the Devanagari letters are based on these basic strokes. So the more you practice these drills, more your calligraphy will look refined. You can practice these basic drills from my traceable practice sheet PDF. I have given the link below in the video description to download the same. And remember not to press your marker too much while practicing the basic drills. Otherwise, you will end up damaging the tip of your marker. So that's about it for today's video. I hope this video helps you in rectifying your basic Devanagari calligraphy mistakes. Do let me know in your comments whether this video has helped you in overcoming those mistakes, and very soon I'll be back with another video on tips and insights on calligraphy. Thank you.